Imagine opening your front door and hitting a solid wall of snow. This isn't a movie. This is Kamchatka, Russia right now. They are facing the heaviest snowfall in 146 years. We're talking 16 feet of snow, that's nearly 5 meters deep. A massive cyclone from the Pacific just dumped a month's worth of snow in 24 hours. It's so bad, people are walking out of second-story windows just to leave the house. Cars are buried, schools are closed, and the city is in a total state of emergency. Is this just winter or climate chaos?